Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to enable the sunlight mode on your MI phones or MIUI phones. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To enable the sunlight mode on your MI phones, you just swipe down, click on the setting option. Then you just need to swipe down and you just need to click on the display option. In display option, you just scroll down and you will see an option called brightness level. Click this. So after clicking on the brightness level, you just need to turn it. This will be a disable. You just turn it on. So this will adjust the brightness to the stronger ambient light when automatic brightness is off. Okay, so if you are not using automatic brightness like this, you're just using your custom brightness. So I just had made this brightness. If the sunlight, if you just make your phones on the sunlight, it automatically increase the brightness level when you are in the custom brightness. So if you don't have automatic brightness, if you don't turn on your automatic brightness, doesn't have any matter, you just turn on the sunlight mode, which will be have a full brightness while you are using on the sunlight. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.